Hi, I'm Ross, and this is DIY on the house. Today we're going to be looking at dishwashers. And as a service plumbing contractor, we get a lot of calls on people when they call in and they don't know if their dishwasher is leaking or if the plumbing on the dishwasher is leaking. So today we're going to just show you a real quick location which will verify if it's a plumbing issue or if it's an appliance issue. The plumbing location on a dishwasher is located under this front panel that's on the dishwasher on the lower side. You're always going to need a screwdriver. You'll either need the Phillips head side or the flathead side, depending on the make of the dishwasher. This panel removes really easily, and once you get it off, it'll access where the plumbing connects to the dishwasher. And you can also verify where the dishwasher may be leaking as well. On this particular one, it takes a Phillips head screwdriver to open it up, and we'll just go ahead and pop that around on our multi-tool screwdriver. And we're going to take off a screw on this side and a screw on this side, and that'll access the panel. Okay, we'll go ahead and take this one off. This one. Okay, so once we got the screws off, we just take this panel off. It's called a kick panel, and we'll put that to the side along with the two screws that came with it. Now the plumbing location is actually down under here. Okay, so we got this lit up a little bit. This is the connection down here under the dishwasher, and you can actually see that it's dry. There isn't any water down below. You can run your fingers around it and double check just to make sure there's nothing leaking. If that's not leaking, then it's an appliance problem. And you can put your hand around the pump and just around certain areas around the seal. And if you feel moisture other than this point right here, then you've got an appliance problem that's leaking. And then at that point you would call an appliance contractor. Once we verify that it's either a plumbing problem or an appliance problem, you can call the correct contractor to take care of the issue. If you've got a leak that's under the kitchen sink, now that'll be an issue. We'll probably go to a plumbing contractor, since appliance guys just basically take care of this area right here, just the appliance basically. So I hope this helps you out on who to call, who not to call. And on another note, the dishwasher also needs maintenance, and this can be done by you, and it's not a big deal to do. It's kind of gross, but it's a filter that's in the dishwasher that needs to be maintained regularly to keep the things flowing correctly. Also keeps bacteria out of the dishwasher. Even though you're putting soap in it and stuff, you still get bacteria growing in the dishwasher, and you can also get a pretty pungent odor coming out of it as well. They do sell chemicals that put in there, but there's really nothing that breaks it down better than just taking it apart, washing it, and doing it that way. So we'll just hop right into that and we'll show you what to do. What happened last time when we had a dishwasher problem, we were using Finish tabs, and for some reason they didn't agree with the dishwasher, so we ended up switching over back to a liquid that we used years ago. But as far as the filter goes, it's as easy as just pulling out this rack, the bottom one, and down at the bottom there's on this particular dishwasher, and you're going to find out a lot of them are the same because Whirlpool and Maytag and all those are the same company. So the interiors, no doubt, will be pretty close to each other. All right, there's a little tab here at the base of the right around the screen area, and the tab has an arrow on it. This particular one does, and so we're just going to push it the same way the arrow goes, and that pops right out. Now, last time I had this off, this was just disgusting. And it's not because we're dirty people. It's just because there's food particles get in the dishwasher, and just things build up and they just get nasty. So that is one thing you put in your sink, scrub it with a brush. And then this bottom base right here too also pops out. And this screen right around here, it gets gunked up. Actually, it's starting to need washed again. It's not bad, but as long as I have it out, I'm going to go ahead and take care of it. And then in this basin as well, you can scrub around in here. I use some bleach and vinegar. The vinegar seemed to work actually really well. But since we switched over to liquid detergent for the dishwasher, it really has made the dishes a lot cleaner. and things seemed not to gunk up as bad. So once you're done with cleaning the screens and stuff, it's good to run through some vinegar, just white vinegar. Run a load, get it nice and hot, and get it to wash out, and things should be good to go. So I hope that helped you, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you don't mind subscribing to our channel to view our other videos, and also comment. And we really appreciate watching the video, and thanks for watching DIY on the house.